You asked me, how do you deal with a saturated market like you're in, like a really competitive one?
Right,
And
right. Yeah, yeah.
I, I think a lot of people on here that are watching this like can 100% relate to you. I'm in Port St. Lucie. The
Mm,
population is small, and there's a million wholesalers here because there's a lot of good deals. So it's very competitive. What I
right.
can tell you here, is it Yoani? Like, how do I say your name?
Yeah, yeah. It's Yoani. Yoani.
Sweet, sweet. What is his name? Reminds me of Yoel, uh, Yoel Romero. He's my favorite
Yeah,
fighter out of
because it's
Miami.
like a Spanish
Yeah.
name, Giovanni in español, but it could be a John in English, so it doesn't
He's the
matter.
man. But
Mm,
yeah, I'm telling you, in a competitive real estate market, the best thing you can do is have really good rapport and being extremely like impressionable on your sellers. That is the
right,
one thing I can tell you. It's the game changer in this business. It's just spending the time getting to know your seller, getting to know their problems, and helping them out. Hands down, the best thing you can do.
right. Okay. And also because sometimes I struggled because I don't know what other questions or things to say. Let's say when I'm talking to a seller, do you like recommend like any like good like courses for like cold calling and seeing how to make rapport and talking to sellers like more efficiently or things like that?
Yeah, yeah. So here's the truth: you can spend 10 grand on any course you want, man. I'm
Right.
telling you the truth here. I'm trying to help you out for free here.
Yeah.
I've
Cool,
spent the
man.
money
Thanks.
on it. You could do a $10,000 cold calling course. It won't be any different than what I try to give you for free here. The only
Mm.
difference is once you pay for it, you're like, oh, wait, I just spent $5,000. I better listen what he's saying more carefully.
Yeah,
The
that's
difference
true.
between that, what you're doing right now, is if you give me 3 grand for this, you would spending more time, more of your attention on this. So just think you gave me 3 grand. Um,
Mm.
so just think about that and just focus on what I'm saying. So cold calling, get with sellers. I'm telling you, the only way you're actually be good in this business is putting your 10,000 hours into talking to sellers in
That's
the
true.
real estate wholesaling game. I put my
Mm.
10,000 hours in. It's like anything. Do you
Mm.
have a passion in life like fishing, sports, anything like that?
Yeah, we like fishing. I like tennis. A couple of things. Yeah, but it's true what you're saying. So whatever you put your
Like any
full
sport.
effort into, concentration is what you in practice and practice should, get
I
better.
love basketball. If I spent 10,000, I haven't, but if I spent 10,000 hours shooting a 3 point shot, I will
Right.
100% like put it in every single time. That's why LeBron's so good. He puts
That's so true.
hundreds of thousands of hours probably into his game. If you do the same thing on yours, I'm telling you, buying a course, it won't give you that 10,000 hours.
That's
Actually doing
true.
it does. Like weightlifting, you got to get the muscles up. You got to put the hours in the work.
That's true.
That comes from just doing mock calls yourself, going to actually talk to real sellers over the phone. Sometimes you got to crash and burn. Like I was a 17-year-old kid. I had no experience in real estate. I got fed to the wolves my first couple ones. I got my first deals. It stressed me out like crazy, but I did it.
Yeah,
You just gotta go. Like I'm telling you, you just gotta go out there.
that's true, man. Sometimes I get too in my head and I try to like make things too perfect. And sometimes what you do is I think in my situation because I have known about wholesaling, but I procrastinate too much and I just have to do it. That's what you're saying. That I agree completely. That's what I gotta, I try to because I just see the competition as too fierce and I try to, to see what strategies I could have to be ahead. But in reality, I just have to, just start it out and start calling people because at the end of the day, I think that's the most, and it's the most. No, it is the most important part. Yeah, let's see.
How old are you?
I'm 19.
Come on, man. Come on, dude. You got the whole world in front of you. We're
Yeah.
good to go, man. Come on. But if you literally, I'm telling you right now, if you spend the next 5 years, like just practicing, talking to sellers, getting
Yeah.
contracts for the next 5 years, and you got no deal, you would be 100% ahead of all these people that started real estate in their 30s. Come on.
Yeah, that's
You have
true.
so much
Yeah.
time ahead of you. Like, hey, don't think if like I know a lot of people from Miami. I don't know if you are not like a lot of people not born in this country. Like they were born in Cuba. They
Yeah,
came
yeah.
over and
I'm
they
I'm from
came over
Cuba.
and oh wow.
Yeah,
I know people that
yeah, yeah.
came over from rafts. I'm telling you, you're in the greatest country in the world. I don't care what anyone
No,
says.
that's true.
Anything can happen here if you put the time in, working hard. I'm pumped for you, man. Let's go, dude. Miami's a good
Cool,
market
man.
too. Like you gotta get good at it. I'm telling you, you have a huge advantage over me in Miami because I can't speak a lick of Spanish.
Yeah.
I can speak some Spanish, but like not good at all.
Right.
So you have an advantage over me. So just think about stuff like that.
Cool, man.
So
Thank you for the motivation, man. And I wish we could, get connected.
Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people, so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.